Let's talk about the digital age for a moment. Every day, billions of dollars shift with a mere click of a button. Stocks go up, stocks go down, all in a volatile dance of numbers and graphs. It's the era of the intangible, where fortunes are made or lost on virtual platforms based on algorithms and speculations. Investments nowadays, for most, they're fleeting, just pixels on a screen, numbers in a constantly changing database. But imagine for a moment stepping away from that screen, reaching out, and actually feeling the weight of your investment. What if I told you there's an investment that's been coveted for millennia, one that you can touch, see, and even pass down through generations? An asset that's not just digital blips, but tangible, historic, and holding intrinsic value. This isn't just metal, it's legacy, stability, and true value that you can hold in your very hands. Let's take a journey through time. Thousands of years ago, long before the first stock market opened or the first cryptocurrency was even a twinkle in someone's eye, mankind stumbled upon something magical. Beneath the Earth's crust, glistening in raw form, they discovered precious metals: gold, silver, platinum, metals that resist corrosion and hold their sheen over time. Their allure was undeniable. Kings and queens adorned themselves with it, cities were traded for it, and explorers set out on perilous journeys to find more of it. These metals became more than just shiny objects. They were symbols of power, tokens of trade, and the very benchmarks of wealth and prosperity. Dynasties rose and fell, currencies came and went, yet the value of these metals endured. Now, fast forward to our modern era. You may think that in our digital age, with all of our advanced technology and innovations, the importance of these metals might have faded. But here's the twist. They haven't. In fact, they've become even more valuable. Today, their value isn't just rooted in history or aesthetics, it's ingrained in the backbone of our tech-driven world. From your smartphone to your car's catalytic converter, precious metals play a pivotal role. But there's a reason some stories never make it to the front page of the financial magazines or the opening segment on Wall Street's favorite shows. Because the mainstream is constantly distracted, running after the next big promise. And it makes sense. Wall Street loves the thrill of the chase. They love the allure of the new, the uncharted, the groundbreaking. But while they're preoccupied racing towards the next Silicon Valley unicorn or next tech bubble, there's a group of smart Americans, the ones who've seen market booms and busts, who are making a different play. They're quietly but confidently diversifying their portfolios with assets that have been time-tested, not just for decades, but for millennia. I'm not standing here to push gold or silver onto you or to deliver a rehearsed sales pitch. In truth, I believe these metals, with their rich histories and enduring appeal, don't need gimmicks to sell. Those who understand their unparalleled worth, their stability in an unpredictable market, will see their appeal. So let's strip away the Wall Street jargon and ask a genuine question. Do you want to be jumping from one hot stock to another, hoping it'll save your retirement? Or do you want a tangible asset in your hands that's not just a blip on a screen, but a legacy that's withstood empires, recessions, and the relentless ticking of time itself? Pause for a moment and let this sink in. In the ever-shifting landscape of financial markets, where money often resembles a ship tossed about on a stormy sea, there remains an anchor, solid and unyielding: precious metals. Think back to any economic history lesson. Every great civilization, from the Mesopotamians to Greeks and the expansive Roman Empire, they all had one common denominator: that gleaming, shimmering backbone that powered their economies. Gold, silver, and other precious metals. But their worth isn't just buried in the annals of history. Shift your gaze to the present. As you hold your smartphone or marvel at the latest aerospace tech, know this: Embedded within these marvels is the hidden strength of these very metals. They power our technology, connect our world, and drive innovation in ways that we often overlooked. And if history has taught us anything, it's that change is inevitable. Empires, no matter how mighty, rise and fall. New powers emerge, old ones fade into memory. Yet through every twist and turn, through every epoch and era, these metals have been the silent observers, the constants amidst chaos. They've not just seen empires rise and fall, they've been the bedrock on which these empires built their legacies. So, when you're looking for something to trust in an unpredictable world, remember this. While currencies might flutter and markets might sway, the legacy of precious metals remains solid because they've earned their place as the gold standard of stability through the sands of time. So in a world obsessed with digital, there's something to be said about the tangible, the real. Ever held a piece of history in your hand? That's what gold feels like. It's not about chasing the latest trend, it's about stability, value, and legacy. You can dive headlong into the digital rush or hold something that's been a mark of power for thousands of years. The decision? Well, it's all you. Now, let's talk strategy. If you've got that gut feeling that there's a financial storm brewing, gold could be your shield, your tried and true protection. But if you're all in on the stock market's rocket ride, gold might seem like a heavy anchor. It's your call on where you see yourself and the world heading. But here's the kicker. You don't have to navigate this alone. Goldco, a heavyweight with $2 billion in metals and a track record of 5-star customer experiences, is in your corner. And they're offering you something invaluable, a free wealth protection kit. All you got to do is click the link below to request your copy. No fluff, just straight facts to help you make a solid decision. It's time to shape your financial story. So click below to get your free wealth protection kit.